Hey guys, it's Candace from the Edgy Veg, and welcome to another What I Eat in a Day video. Today's video is sponsored by Just Egg, which is particularly exciting because I love the Just Egg product. I've tried it in the US before they came to Canada, and now they're here. On this particular day of eating that I'm going to take you through while you watch this video, I got picked up in a Tesla and I got to try out the new Just Egg breakfast sandwich that's now available at select restaurants in Canada. So strap on in, guys, because we're going on a road trip. Good morning and welcome to another What I Eat in a Day. I'm Candace the Edgy Veg. I am, as you can see, in a car, specifically a Tesla, and I am super excited for today's video because it is sponsored by Just Egg. And I'm going to try out the new Just Egg plant-based omelet that they're serving in the new plant-based breakfast sandwich.
This is also like the most bougie way to go and eat your breakfast sandwich.
This is how I eat my breakfast every morning. I don't know what you're talking about. This is just another day in the life of a glamorous YouTuber. So it's been really exciting for plant-based people like myself the last couple months. Breakfast has always been a really difficult one for us. It's always kind of boring. There's not a lot of options. So to see a plant-based omelet in a breakfast sandwich from Just Egg is so exciting. I can't wait. It's going to be such an easy way for people that are choosing to live a plant-based life to have a quick, easy option on the go that's also delicious. Let's go get some breakfast and a lot of coffee. I'm really tired. It's very early. I never get up this early. So this is the Just Egg 100% plant-based omelet. We have the plant-based sausage. It's on an English muffin. It tastes exactly like an egg. It's light, it's fluffy. I don't know what they're using to spice it with, but it's really tasty. You could fool anyone into thinking this is eggs. This is so good. So I would definitely say that this isn't just for people that are plant-based. I would say that it's for anyone that's looking for a more sustainable option. Do make sure to ask for no cheese if you are fully plant-based. Everything is plant-based on this guy. The English muffin, the sausage patty, obviously the plant-based omelet. It's so tasty. It tastes exactly like an egg. Plant-based eggs, guys, it's a thing. And here's a fun thing. You could take the hash brown. You could take the sandwich and you could put the hash brown inside the sandwich. You're welcome. All right, guys, we are going to go ahead and finish up our breakfast. I gotta get back to the city. We have some filming that we have to do, some projects to get out the door, but I am feeling fueled, I am feeling full, I am feeling satisfied. Fun fact, Just Egg is the first egg made from plants in a quick service restaurant. I just think it's so cool that people are finally stepping up, companies like this, and making plant-based options easy and accessible and delicious. Like we said previously, tastes exactly like an egg. It's just made from plants. Same but different.
So Molly, you were saying on Instagram that you are potentially going to be cooking your way through Candaces Cookbook.
I am. I have started. I'm 6 recipes in, and I'm cooking my way through Candace's entire book. I don't have like a time goal, but I'm just gonna do my best. I'm gonna do all of them though, and I'm doing them sort of in order. Candace's viewers have been very nice to me already, but I have been posting it on my Instagram story. What is my Instagram handle?
Mall Sunflam.
Yes, it is.
I listen.
Yeah, and so I've been posting it into a highlight on my Instagram. And yeah, it's been really good so far. And I'm not great at food photography, but
It's a journey.
Yes.
That's what we've learned.
And it shows you the real side of vegan cooking, which is sometimes ugly, like any cooking, but still tasty.
I feel like a lot of people don't actually know really what it takes to kind of I guess run a channel of this size plus everything else that you do.
Yeah. I used to do everything by myself, but we also weren't doing 2 videos a week. And I wasn't, writing cookbooks, and I wasn't doing a bunch of other projects on the side. So I do now have help, which is amazing. It's nice to have help. It's a lot of work, a lot of stuff that people don't see going on behind the scenes just never gets shown. So I am curious. I want to know what you guys want to see. Is there any recipes that you'd like to see on the blog? Is there something that I'm not doing that you would like to see us do on the blog? Mostly it's recipes right now, but is there anything like lifestyle based? Is there anything that you think that we should update? We should do less of, more of? I don't know. What do you want to see? All right, guys, I've collected ingredients for a fun mango strawberry summer salsa. Just a quick snack for us. I'm going to Pilates later, so I don't want to eat anything too super heavy. So this is kind of perfect for that. So we have some strawberries, some chopped jalapeno, we have mango, red onion, cilantro, avocado. The only dressing that we're going to use today is a little bit of lime juice, and then of course we're going to eat it with some tortilla chips. Bright, fresh, super hydrating, sweet because I love sugar. So let's add the strawberries first. And then we'll add the mangoes. We have our chopped jalapeno. If you chop the jalapeno and don't use like gloves or something, wash your hands thoroughly first before you touch your eye. I learned that the hard way. Got some red onion and cilantro. And then we are going to add What do I always... My default when I do these is to say we, but it's me. Me and my depressed alter ego and my manic other self. Like, who am I talking to? I am going to add the juice of about half lime. Super simple. All right, I'm going to add a sprinkle of salt. This will just help bring out the flavors. It will also draw out some of the moisture. Like, it's a salsa, so you can dip chips in it. It's also just like a really yummy fruit salad with some like herbed notes to it. So it really can be whatever you want. I'm going to add an avocado as well. Here's the thing. If you are going to make this and not eat it right away, don't add the avocado because the avocado is going to brown. So definitely add the avocado when you're serving it.
So Winston has just infiltrated.
Okay, that's a background for food photos, not a yoga mat. He just thinks anything on the floor is a carpet. That he's supposed to, oh, he just missed me apparently.
If it fits, I sits.
If it fits, I sits. Just chopping up some avocado. And then we are going to enjoy this as a light afternoon snack. Okay, I want the perfect bite of all the things. Oh yeah, that's the one. So good. Super refreshing, full of, hydration, sweetness, saltiness, spice. It really hits almost all of the flavors, the major flavors on your tongue, except for umami. I'm going to go to a Pilates class. By the time I'm done that, it'll be dinner time and I will be hungry. It's dinner time! I'm very tired, so I wanted to clean up the fridge and throw something together using just random things that I have in my fridge and freezer. So based on what I had, I thought it would be fun to do just a quick, easy homemade ramen. So I have a couple of these sausages. So I'm thinking I'm going to slice those and pan fry them, and that'll be the protein for our ramen. I have frozen peas, frozen edamame, and frozen corn. I have this leftover chicken salad broth from a recipe that I was testing, and I have these leftover stir-fry noodles, which will be like the noodles for the ramen. I have a bunch of hot sauces and things in the fridge, so I can just add some sauce to it. Then I'm gonna cook the vegetables. Nope, that's the wrong burner. I think I'm gonna cook the vegetables in the broth. I'm gonna toss the broth into a pan. So this is about 2 cups, 500 milliliters of broth that we're using. And I'm just going to take the edamame, the peas, and the corn and just throw it right in the broth. All right, while that is heating up, I'm going to put the noodles into a bowl. There's a lot more noodles in here than I thought, actually. And I'm going to slice and pan fry the sausages, and then just build it up. It's really easy. Guys, contrary to what everyone thinks on the internet, I don't just eat deep fried stuff all the time. And I really try to focus on like quick, easy meals because I do so much recipe testing and so much cooking for my job. So when it's just me, I'm just doing things that are quick, comforting, easy, don't take a lot of time, healthy. I'm not just eating, junk food or fried food all the time. I do eat a lot of burgers though. I will admit. But yeah, so I do eat like a balanced diet, I would say. So a lot of it is me just making stuff up on the spot using what I already have. I have my non-stick stone pot heating up here. Not pot, sorry, my pan. I'm just gonna toss the sausage in right there. And I don't really need any oil because it's a non-stick. So I'm just gonna cook those until they're heated through. It's about like 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Okay, our broth and corn and peas and edamame are ready. I mean, usually ramen's all like pretty and layered, but like this is kind of just like a smattering of everything. So I'm just gonna randomly kind of make it pretty. There we go. Then, because I like some heat, some hot sauce, and maybe we'll do a garnish. Voila! I am going to eat this and relax. This is one of my go-tos that I make all the time, is some sort of soup-esque thing. Some sort of noodle soup, whether it's like a faux chicken noodle soup or like a ramen style or a pho. Sometimes I use like just the no chicken, better than bouillon, just mix it with water. But really just whatever you have left over in the fridge, throw it in there, cook up some noodles. And because of my laziness, I always make sure that I have frozen vegetables on hand. My favorite is peas, edamame, and corn. But if you love, I don't know, broccoli, have broccoli on hand. If you love cauliflower, have cauliflower on hand. Yeah, just experiment when you cook. No ice cream for Tiny Harley's. She's so eager. I love that she plays us against each other. She's like, oh, okay, you're not gonna give me any? She's going to. I mean, we do eat a lot of ice cream here.
Yeah, we just sort of eat a lot here.
That's true. Not wrong. Thank you so much for spending the day with me, letting me show you what I eat in another What I Eat in a Day video. And thank you so much to Just for the amazing experience and for making plant-based options accessible to everyone. Thank you so much, guys, for coming with me today and letting me show you what I ate. Don't forget to check out Just Egg products that are now available here in Canada on Amazon, select restaurants, and also your local retailer. So I just love that that the product tastes exactly like eggs and can be used exactly like eggs. And guys, I'm just so genuinely excited to see so many different products coming out on the market now that are helping people like you and me just do the best for the environment and for the animals. And this animal does not want to sit on my lap, so I'm just gonna let her. She thinks that this is for her. All right, guys, if you are new here, hit that subscribe button. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Let me know what you guys think of Just Egg by leaving me a comment in the comment section below. I cannot wait to see how you guys use it. Bye.